Hey shoppers, today I'm showing you this JOYIN 80 pieces Toddlers car building block set. It's a 12 pieces of different vehicles and build your own toys. It's like a Lego with the 80 pieces. It's compatible with the kids and it's a very nice build. The quality is really nice for these plastic blocks and this like a building bricks and for the sensory for the kids. So these are really a vibrant colors, really nice vehicle packs. Total 12 total vehicles. So as you can see it here, there are total 12 vehicles of different shape and sizes, and the police cars and everything. So I will open one and show you. These are the total models, and it's easy to assemble for kids as well, and then is a fun to play. So here I'm just opening one of this car thing, and you can see this is a very nice built plastic, high quality plastic. As you can see the shiny thing, the tires and everything. So these are the some small little pieces that need to be joined. So like this, the siren, you can put it here or you can modify the way you want to. So this is like the one piece goes in the front, the other piece goes in the back. This is the total on the top. So you can do it like this on the top, or you can do it like the other side as well. You can put the siren in the front or in the back, like whatever you want to do. You have really a nice things here. So pretty much it's a very nice and high quality plastic toys, nice for the kids for learning and joining with the brakes. They are totally 12, as I said, vehicles, and nice thing, and it works very fine too with the kids to play.